just got this Jujube XY base and I am absolutely loving it. We are about to head to the zoo. We're in the car ready to go. And I thought I'd just show you guys what I have in here. I am loving how sleek it is and how much it can hold. It's really deceiving. It seems like it'll be a small bag, but it really holds a ton. So in the side bottle pocket here, I have my daughter's Pura stainless steel water bottle.
That's me.
Yes, that's you. And all of her water bottles fit really well in there, and it's awesome. I can actually unzip it while it's on my back and get the water bottle out, no problem. And then that's the same for this pocket here where I keep my wallet. I can actually, if the bag's not too stuffed, I can, while it's on my back, pull out my wallet and put it back in, and that is just like a huge plus for me. So that's this side zipper pocket. I do have my keys just stuffed in this pocket in the bottom corner. I don't worry about them falling out because they're all the way back in the corner, and so I don't have any issues with that. I do wish they would have put a key leash inside there. I think that would have been really easy for them to do. So this is a great pocket here. It's felt lined in it, but it's huge. So I keep my iPhone in here, and then I also keep my sunglasses, and they both fit really well. No problem right in there. There are no pockets on the side. If there was another internal bottle pocket, it would take up too much room on the inside of the bag. There's a nice grab handle and super padded backpack straps that are really comfortable, and the same padded mesh material on the back. So that's that. And you can see this is kind of like a curved zipper, and that allows it to open up really wide, and you can fold down the front. So the zippers go quite a ways, plus they're gusseted. So this bag opens up really wide. You can see everything inside without anything falling out. So check this out. There's 4 mesh pockets, 2 on this front panel and 2 on the back panel. And there is a slip pocket here that's padded that you could put a computer in there. I just have my wipe pouch back there for easy access. In the front 2 mesh pockets, I have a hand sanitizer and a medium set piece that has some snacks. In the back mesh pocket here, I have hand sanitizer, Kleenex, and boogie wipes. And then there's nothing in this mesh pocket down here. I just have my water bottle kind of shoved in there. When I don't have it as packed up, I do put my water bottle in that mesh pocket. I have a Quick that's completely stuffed. I have 2 cloth diapers, a wet bag in here. And I have a full lunch box. It's the Fit and Fresh brand, and I'll link that below. I just got it on Amazon. And then at the very bottom, I just have a change of clothes for both of the girls, just laid flat right here. That was a great way to make use of that bottom space for something I don't really use that often. I could have put these in a large set piece and that would have worked just as well, but I found they laid a little bit flatter just without any sort of pouches. So that is everything. I'm really loving how it opens up compared to the Be Right Back. It doesn't hold quite as much, and there's a few features that I wish it had, like D-rings to hold on the stroller. I wish it also had the key leash, like I said, on the inside of this pocket. And I wish there was a small, like a zipper pocket here or maybe in the front. So it's really kind of strange to me that there isn't one. They usually have those type of pockets in their bags. So those are just a few of the features I wish it had, but otherwise I'm absolutely loving this bag. I love how just plain and simple it is, and I am debating whether or not I should get rid of my BRB because this is working really well for me. I'll do a comparison video of the base, the BRB, and the mini B in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, bye guys!